2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Homelink garage door opener, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, power moonroof, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.